Hey, how's it going? This is Fred with Improve My Score. I'm the operations manager here, and I wanted to bring a quick video to you guys. And as you can see on my screen, um, I have Home Depot pulled up in regards to personal guarantee. I wanted to go ahead and talk about business credit and talk about some of the misconceptions that are out there, some things that you need to look out for when you're listening to the gurus and the people talk about um, how you don't need a personal guarantee. Now, it's true that you don't need a personal guarantee if and only if you have the actual revenue. So, in this video, what I wanted to do is we're going to talk about business credit and a platform that we use for our clients. It's a do it yourself platform. So that way we can keep the cost down for our clients. That way they're able to go ahead and not spend a boatload of money to get this information um, that they need to build their credit for their business credibly, build that foundation properly. But we also want to make sure that they're able to build it for the funding and the credit that they're going to need in the future. Now, I know a lot of times in the past you may have saw videos or heard people say that you don't need a personal guarantee. Yes, it's true. You may not use a personal guarantee. What I want to talk to you guys about are the three C's of credit. The first C is credit. Uh, of, of the first C's is credit, personal credit, that is. So you may be able to obtain funding or credit cards, but that's based on your personal credit. This is called a personal guarantee. So that's the first C of the first of the three C's. Second C is cash or revenue. How much revenue are you bringing in per year, per month? Banks are going to want to see this. They're not going to loan you any money unless you're able to pay those bills off, and they're not going to just give it to you. You have to be able to show the revenue. And the third C is collateral. So what do you have that they might want as collateral to collateralize the information or the things that you're trying to purchase or get money for? Okay, so that's the three C's. We wanted to make sure that we talked about this because in videos you'll see all the time no personal guarantee, no PG. You can get it without this stuff. Build up your credit, do this, do that. I'm here to debunk the myth. Okay. So with that being said, right here, I wanted to bring up a prime example of what I was talking about in regards to personal guarantee. So as you can see, right now, I am on the Home Depot website for commercial cards. This is for uh, a personal guarantee, and it talks about the information right here. Do you need a personal guarantee? So right here, as you can see, I'm hovering over guarantee, and I'm going to read it from you from their website. It says, what is a personal guarantee? A personal guarantee helps businesses that might not otherwise have enough credit history to be able to establish a commercial account. Giving us your personal guarantee will expedite the processing of your application, especially if you have a small or young company. By giving us your personal guarantee, you are held personally liable for all obligations under and all amounts due on the account in the event the company defaults. So that's what they're basically saying is if the company goes defunct, that you're going to go ahead and pay the bills as if it was going to fall on your shoulders. That's what a personal guarantee is. Now, to go further, should I give you my personal guarantee? Right here, as you can see, yes, if your company has less than $2 million in annual sales or revenues. So that's the first thing. Second thing is that the company is less than 2 years old, has fewer than 10 employees, or is a partnership or proprietorship. So what they're telling you right there is if you're not making $2 million every single year, you're not going to qualify without that personal guarantee. So I wanted to go ahead and bring it to you fresh, bring it to you raw, and let you know exactly what I was talking about when I say that some of these myths that you hear, it's giving you only some of the information, it's omitting very important information. But I'm here to go ahead and let you know it is needed. We do want you to know that uh, we have uh, we have things out there for you where we can help you get funding, help you get access to cash and credit, but you might need to personally guarantee that information. But if you are interested, like I said, we do have the business credit do-it-yourself platform. that we do offer. Um, it's a lot less than what you are able to secure the same information from other companies that are out there. Okay, so we want to let you know that that's available. All you need to do is go ahead and comment below. We'll go ahead and get back with you. Just leave some type of information, contact information, or you can send an email to info@ApproveMyScore. Again, info@ApproveMyScore. Um, if you guys are interested in funding or credit, our sweet spot is anywhere between 50 to 125,000, just depending on what your credit looks like. If you guys are interested, reach out. We can do a free um, evaluation for you to let you know where you stand, let you know what we're able to do for you. We're able to get information available to you very quickly. We're able to help you get those funds in a reasonable amount of time. So with that being said, again, my name is Fred Livai. I'm the operations manager here at Approve My Score. If you guys are looking for business credit or funding, feel free to reach out. I'll leave information in the bio. Please subscribe, like the video if you have, if you like the information. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. It helps us out a lot. Like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Have a good day.